Welcome everybody to this episode of the GrowingAU Show. You'll notice that we're actually out of the studio today. This is going to be one of a new series in the GrowingAU Show where we give you a short segment on something that's going on in the financial world. We're here at the Hershey Outlets today, and despite the weather, it's actually something far gloomier. You see, today, despite like a normal day at the Hershey Outlets, these stores are empty. You may have heard recently of a 16.4% drop in all retail stores across the USA, and it's had a major effect on the economy. We're going to be talking about that today on the GrowingAU Show. Let's roll that intro. Retail sales are actually so bad that they are down a total of 21.6% in the last 12 months. The record drop in April was actually beating the 8.3% drop that was set the month before in March. Expert Joshua Shapiro believes that the retail fallout will last a very long time, as even when the economy opens back up, millions and millions of the jobs that not only supported the retail market but also funded the retail stores will just no longer exist, and it's going to take a long time to come back from that. After all, with 36 million people unemployed, the fallout could be long-lasting, which is not a good sign for US retail. Now, the downfall for retail isn't saying that people aren't spending, because we've seen an 8.4% increase in online sales and a 21.6% increase in online sales year over year. Amazon, online retailers like that are doing very well, and companies that maintain a strong e-commerce presence are able to withstand these hard times. But just how bad is the retail economic fallout in the United States? We have some numbers for you here today. The auto industry is down 13%, furniture 59%, technology a whopping 60% decrease. Building supplies is down 3%, so not too bad there. But grocery, after a surge at the start of the outbreak, is now down 13%. Clothing down 79%. Department stores down 29%, and restaurants down 70% after that. This massive switch to online retail is so large that $1 out of every 5 is not spent at a retail establishment. Economists believe that if the retail fallout lasts over a month, a 31% total decrease will be seen, and if extended over a 4-month period, a 65% decrease in storefront retail could be seen. This is leading to major economic contraction, as retail markets make up for 70% of US economic activity. In fact, it's so bad that it's caused a 40% drop in our annual GDP. Now, the one thing we have seen is people are gearing up for these long-term stays at home, as they're not sure when everything's going to be opening back up. Home luxury items and comfort foods such as ice cream, pasta, and companies like Peloton, which serve in-home biking equipment for fitness, are seeing surges in their sales as people prepare for the long-haul stay-at-home orders. Now, unfortunately, some of this retail economic fallout is already taking the worst toll on some companies, as companies like Neiman Marcus, Stage Store, JCPenny's, and J.Crew have all filed for bankruptcy. What's going to happen in the future for retail? Well, I think it's very safe to say that things are going to change, and it can mean a lot for investors in some of these companies. Now, that's going to conclude it for this episode of the GrowingAU Show, where we go over the stock market's winners and losers to help you find the best way for your money to work for you. Because after all, the best way your money can work for you is for you to know how your money works. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.